Also, in another application, maybe somebody who is an elder now, maybe they can't see something clearly, something written down maybe on a piece of paper clearly. The elder can talk to you if you're a younger person and then ask you, Iga katanwiye de la naokwa. Iga katanwiye de la naokwa. What is the person is actually asking is, can you make out what is written on this piece of paper? So you go down to the next meaning, which is to cut down or destroy in the Hebrew of Judea. Okay, so in the Igbo language, this word ka is actually used with another verb, and that is bu. So joining the two, we get buka. Buka means to cut down something and destroy it completely. Okay, buka ye buka. If you're giving maybe a piece of furniture, and for one reason or the other, you are told buka ye buka, that is cut it down to pieces, cut it, destroy it completely. Okay. Now to make into writing, this ka can be used to mean to write, as we mentioned before. It can mean to cut, it can mean to incise, it can mean to inscribe also. So it's also used to mean writing, to make something into writing in the Igbo language. For example, maybe you're with your mother somewhere in the community and she's making a call and she's trying to get a number, maybe from somebody across, on the other side of the line. She can quickly tell you, what that means is, inscribe the numbers I will call out to you on the ground. Okay, so in that sense, kade is now used to mean to put something into writing. Okay, so it is also used to mean eliminate or wipe off in the Hebrew of Judea. Coming into the Hebrew language, it is used to mean to cancel or strike off. Okay, to cancel or strike off. So to cancel is kabu. Okay, so kaboya means to cancel it, to strike it off. If you are listening closely, you will see that this kabu is actually the flipping of one of the verbs we mentioned earlier. Okay, so that word is buka, to cut something down completely, buka. Okay, but to cancel, the Igbo people just flip both verbs. Okay, so buka becomes kabu. So kabu means to eliminate, to cancel, to cancel or strike off. Okay, so other applications of this word are doka, used for saying to tear something in two. Okay, doka, so that's cut it into by tearing. The do means pull. Okay, so cutting by the effort of pulling, that is doka. Okay, so that is that application right there. Okay, so with this we'll just be able to look at the word karet, as it is used in Judea, and ka or kawa as it is used in the Igbo language. The same applications throughout, there's no difference at all. So we're not going to waste much time on that. We'll just go to the next word, which is yod.